Thinking of starting a group home in Ohio? Here's everything you need to know in just 2 minutes. First, understand what a group home is. A group home provides care for individuals who need assistance due to disabilities, aging, or special needs. It offers a safe, supportive environment. Next, research and plan. Decide on your target population: seniors, adults with disabilities, or children with special needs. Research local demand and assess funding opportunities. Step 3. Licensing and legal requirements. In Ohio, you need to register with the Ohio Department of Developmental Disabilities, meet zoning requirements, and pass facility inspections. Make sure to have policies, insurance, and staff training in place. Step 4. Secure funding and insurance. Explore grants, state funding, and private investors. Get liability and property insurance to protect your business and residents. Step 5. Find a suitable location. Choose an accessible, safe, and well-zoned property. Ensure it meets all state safety and health requirements. Step 6. Hire and train staff. Your team should have experience in caregiving, mental health support, or disability services. Staff-to-resident ratios and ongoing training are essential. Finally, build community partnerships. Connect with local agencies, healthcare providers, and advocacy groups for resources and referrals. Starting a group home takes planning, but the impact is life-changing. Need help with licensing and setup? Click the link in the description for expert guidance. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and learn more.